speed, easy to see. When we collide, no one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart. And after the stars have crumbled to dust, we still feel the warmth burning in us, burning in.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So ngayon I'm using this SoundPeats TRUEFREE Plus. Ito yung upgraded version ng pinakauna akong review sa SoundPeats, na SoundPeats TRUEFREE. Well, ang difference nito is 35 hours battery life. Unlike sa nauna, 15 hours battery life. Plus noise cancelling pa siya. And one more thing, for me mas okay ang bottom type. At least ito may physical siya at hindi siya sensitive. Anyway, when it comes to the music, maganda tong SoundPeats TRUEFREE Plus kasi ano siya, maganda yung bass niya. Well, ito tinatry ko outdoor ang mic kung okay din siya. Plus comfortable siya sa tenga. Unlike sa SoundPeats TRUEFREE, may tendency na malaglag siya. Hindi siya totally fit. Ito fit na fit, oh. The best. Kung mapapansin nyo, normally nag-review ako sa labas, sa outdoor. At least, kasi pag may kausap tayo sa telepono, may tumatawag sa atin, natetesting ko o napapakita ko sa inyo kung loud and clear ba yung voice ko. Ayan. And then ang maganda dito, may cover na siya. Ito, cover niya. Sa SoundPeats TRUEFREE, totally wala siyang cover. Magnetic type lang siya. Ayun, tapos magaan pa ang SoundPeats TRUEFREE. Unlike dito, heavy. Well, I believe dahil sa battery yun. Including the box, you will get charging cable plus buds, small, medium, large. And that's it. Manual also. Yun lang. Kung naghahanap kayo ng cheap earbuds, suggest ko tong SoundPeats TRUEFREE Plus. Mas maganda to sa Xiaomi AirDots, sa Anker Liberty Neo, sa JBL, tsaka sa Toshiba na 149. At kung naghahanap kayo ng cheap earbuds, mag-check na lang kayo sa online. Well, check the seller kung official ba siya o hindi. Check nyo yung mga feedback. Check nyo yung mga reviews before you buy a headset. Check the reviews on online, especially Google. Makikita nyo dun yung cost and pros. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.
I'll break your heart. And after the stars